Hi Master, my name is Jason and this is my video reflection for lesson 9. So in lesson 9 you actually covered property investments, business partnerships, and even loans, and this is my reflection that on the big picture it's all about reading the doors, the stars, the deities, but it's important to understand the context of the matter and then from there interpret the chart, because one wrong read without understanding the context can actually lead to a poor outcome, when actually it could have been better if we understand the history and why the client is asking this question. Secondly, when it comes to businesses and e-commerce, even though the live door shows good potential, paired with nine heaven, that there will be a lot of profits, but actually once I see it with emptiness, it means that the returns are going to be very very low. And even having very good stars and doors in that box won't bring any good profits anymore. I think it's always important to understand the business model as well when the client comes to you with a question regarding business investments. And when it comes to partnership, one thing I learned is to also watch out for the destroy star, because it means that uh, the partnership is not gonna be very positive. It won't be going well, and if it's emptiness again, this means the situation is not so good, and the partner might not even be trusted. In loans, Wu represents cash flow, and if there's a clash between the Wu and the bank, it's unlikely that the loan uh, will be approved or that the money is gonna flow. Yeah, I think the same goes for property as well. Whenever there's a clash, it's not very favorable, for the asker. And lastly, I think one thing I learned is that it's important to be very confident in our readings, and always practice daily, before actually taking on paid clients. As you have mentioned, we can do free readings first to hone our skills. Yeah, and this is my reflection for lesson 9. Thank you.